Hi, my name is Dinesh Shishkant Zavre. Today's date is 27 October 2022. Today we will be discuss about OOPS. OOPS means Object Oriented Programming. Um, we will be uh, we will be learn about the basic of OOPS object oriented programming is a paradigm that provide many concepts such as inheritance, data binding and polymorphism, etc. Simula is considered the first object-oriented programming language. The programming paradigm where everything is represented as an object known as truly object-oriented programming language. Small talk is considered the first truly object oriented programming language. The popular language, object oriented language, the object popular language. uh, the operating object oriented programming are Java, C hash, C++, Python, etc. language are used. Um, are used. The aim of operating the oriented operating programming is implement implement real world entities for example object, class, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, etc. Object the uh, object means real world entity such as pen, chair, table, computer, watch, etc. Object oriented programming is methodology or paradigm to design a program using classes and uh, it simplifies software development and maintenance by providing concept, object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, terms, encapsulation, apart from this concept there are some other terms will which will be used object oriented design, coupling, uh, association, aggregation, composition, etc. The first is object. Object is any entities that has state and behavior is known as object. Example: a chair, pen, table, bike, keyboard, etc. It can be physical or logical. An object can be defined as in instance of class. An object contain an address and take up some space in memory. Object can be communicate without knowing the details each other, data or code. The only necessary thing is type of message accepted and the type of response written by the object, etc. A dog is an object because it is a has state like color, name, breed, etc. As well as behavior like wagging the tail, barking, eating, etc. Second class, collection of the collection of object is called as class. The logical entities. A class can be also defined as blueprint from which can be break which which can be create a individual object. Class doesn't consume any space. Third, inheritance. Inheritance, when one object acquire all properties and all properties or all behavior of parents object is called as inheritance. It provide code reusability. Reusability. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. For this polymorphism is one task is performed is different way. One task different way. It is known as polymorphism. Example, to concave to customer, differently to draw something for example, shape triangle, rectangle, square, etc. In Java we use the method overload and method overriding to achieve polymorphism. Example can be to speak something for example, a cat speak meow, dog breaks woof, etc. Abstraction. 5 is abstraction is hiding internal details. Hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as abstraction. Example, phone calls. Encapsulation, binding or wrapping code, binding and wrapping code and data together into single unit are known as encapsulation. 7 is coupling. Coupling is refer to knowledge or information or dependency of another class. Is Java is used private and private protect public modifier to display the visibility level of class, method and field. 8 number, association. Association represented the relationship between the object. Here one can be association with one object or many objects. Types: one to one, second one to many, third many to ones, and fourth is many to many. Many to many. Example, one country have one prime minister. This one to one. Example, a prime minister can have many minister, one to many. Also many MPs can have one prime minister, many to one, and many minister can have many department, is many to many, etc. Thank you. OOPS is object oriented programming advantage. OOPS is easy maintenance and easy language. OOPS is OOPS is a class based object oriented programming language. OOPS OOPS object means oops, using object class abstraction polymorphism, inheritance, etc. Object means thank you.